everyone, welcome once again to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make garlic bread. I've already measured what you need for the dough. You're going to need about 2.5 tablespoons of sugar. We need half a teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of fresh milk. Then we have 2 tablespoons of margarine. We have 1 egg, and I've already measured 2.5 cups of flour, an empty bowl, and I also have instant yeast. This is what I'll be using, and it's 10 grams, but I only need 6, so I'm going to be using about 2 teaspoons of the instant. So guys, let's do this. For the filling, you're going to require some butter. Then we have parsley and 2 cloves of garlic. If you want more taste, you can add more cloves. Then I'm going to use about a teaspoon of sugar.